एज अ वुमन है। एज अ लीगल प्रोफेशनल 3 प्रोविजंस हैं जो वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट है विमेंस रिजर्वेशन बिल में। एक तो है कि 33% is reserved for women, out of which 1/3 is reserved for scheduled castes and scheduled tribes. अब OBC के लिए there is no reservation as yet, and for OBC reservation it is important that the triple test laid down by the Supreme Court should be followed, which has not been done as yet. The second important point is delimitation. Delimitation of constituencies तभी हो सकता है जब census complete हो जाएगा। Census 2020-21 में कोविड की वजह से आगे बढ़ा दिया गया, and now till 24-25 it has been extended until further orders. So the census hasn't started as yet. So now the earlier the law minister had said that delimitation agar nahi karenge properly and then we try to get the bill passed in the parliament, there may be a court case, so which will lead to ye pura sthagit ho jayega. I mean, once a court case is there, you can't implement the women's reservation bill. तो डिलिमिटेशन के लिए सेंसस का इम्पोर्टेंस है। अब सेंसस में वो लोग बोल रहे हैं कि सिंस द न्यू सेंसस हैजंट बिगन और इट विल टेक टाइम एंड द प्राइम मिनिस्टर वांट्स द बिल टू बी इम्प्लीमेंटेड बाय 2029, दे वांट टू डिपेंड ऑन 2011 सेंसस। नाउ यू कैन इमेजिन 2011 से 2026 तक देयर हैज बीन पॉपुलेशन ग्रोथ, सो द फिगर्स विल नॉट बी करेक्ट and delimitation will not happen in a proper manner. Moreover, the triple test भी अगर आप 2011 के census पे करोगे तो the OBC population will not come out to give true figures. तो OBC के लिए भी प्रॉब्लम होगा, एंड इतने सालों से जो अप्स एंड डाउन्स हो रहे थे, बिल नहीं पास हो पा रहा था, इट इज़ ओनली बिकॉज ऑफ द OBC रिजर्वेशन in women's reservation bill. Now the third important thing is the reservation will come into effect only for 15 years as of now if it is implemented. But 15 years ke baad, only when the parliament passes a law will it continue. Now with the procedural lapses as on today, will you be able to extend the women's reservation bill after 15 years? So if the bill is for actually for gender equality and women's empowerment, I think we should go through the entire legal process properly, complete it, and then go in for reservation implementation. This is with regard to the legal angle. As a woman, I have mixed feelings. One is that it is a great achievement if the women's reservation bill is passed, because every one of us have seen that it has seen a lot of ups and downs over a long time period. So if it is implemented, it will be a huge accomplishment. Moreover, Prime Minister also announced that the reservation bill will bring in additional seats. It will not cut into the already available seats, but they will bring in additional seats by amending the law. These are the positive points. But having said all these things, it is also true that the entire procedure and entire attitude shows that it's a man's world. अगर women को political empowerment देना है, तो एक तो उनको additional seats देना है, plus वो सब उनके लिए reserve होना है, नहीं तो women's political empowerment is a no-no. So where is the merit of the woman considered in this? Moreover, constitutional provision, fundamental right of equality, it also applies to women. Shouldn't that be implemented in letter and spirit? Thank you.